Nobody threatens Vinny. Nobody! Calm down, Vinny, calm down. Yuri Punkovich, yeah, you can say that again. Wait till I get my hands on this creep. Hey, Uncle Tony, what's going on there, huh? Hey, how you doing? Listen, I got a favor to ask you. Oh, pretty good. Remember that guy you was telling me about could do some favors for me if I needed that special favor you was talking about? Right. Is he still available? Well, listen, I got it. Hold on a second. Grandma, you knock on that door one more time, I'm going to slap the taste out of your mouth. I'm on the phone. Sorry about that, Tony. Listen, is he still available for that favor? Nothing, man. I got this creep on the internet threatening me and whatnot. Yuri Punkovich. Yeah, you can say that again. Right. Well, I mean, is this guy good? I mean, can I trust him? Okay, I mean, if he gets caught, is he going to spill the beans? I mean, I don't want this guy, you know, killing over, oh, Vinny made me do it, I mean, is he hospitable and whatnot? Alright, sounds good. Yeah, I got his address right here. I got everything ready to go. I said I would pay you when I get the money for that. This is something totally different. Alright. No problem. We can do that. Alright, here's his address. You ready? You got a pen? Alright. It's 2237